As we have seen in this video of working with JSON and API earlier, it should be so clear to you that a perfect API is all about the routing and responding to the respected routes. And that's what we are going to do in this video. URL building. URL building is nothing but creating an API that acts completely powerful and responsive based on the client queries. First of it, we are going to see about HTTP methods, which help us and differentiate things like we are actually getting or giving the data. There are two main methods for this, get and post. Which means, we can get the value from the databases or resources using get, while post gives us the power of posting data to the specified route for processing. Now, let's get into the topic. URL is of two types. Static and dynamic. Static is what we have done here, but dynamic is something different. We can provide specific information or a condition to the server using dynamic routes. Let's do it. I have the app up and running. Let's add a few lines here. I'm gonna add a new route, like this, with some additional pieces of text like this. Inside the function, I'm gonna send a plain text, concatenated with params. Let's check it. Yeah, it is displaying the same texts. What I have done here is, we can send a specific text or information like this in the URL and access it using the request.params. The specific param we named as in the URL. The request object will give us the list of params in the URL under the params object. We can use regex to define conditions. You can define one more thing in the routing with a star, like this. This will react to all the get requests, irrespective of the routes. Let's see this in action. Here, I am trying to get an undefined route. Yet, it delivers a message, for not for. It is because of the star route. Let's take it out and check it. It is not working now. We can use this star function to catch all other undefined requests from the client, but we should place this function after all the other routes, or else, it will kill all of our routes and take charge of all the get requests in the server and